All I hear is talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she be down the ride, oh, I'll bet that. Ooh.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Let's talk. I put my camera up there. Tends to move every time I move. I love this thing. I'm just a big kid with toys. Oh, man, listen. I had that video and people seem to still be confused. Somebody gave some good information in the comment section, but he's still confused as well. Like, oh, well, it was ratified on this date, so we should be getting our back pay on this date. No. So let me just stop you. No. Because y'all need to understand that I've been seeing way too many people confused, and they are here running around like their back pay is sitting in the mailbox already. And for the APWU, the rural letter carriers, those are the ones that will be getting their back pay in the future. Now, the mail handlers, I haven't gotten into them yet. I don't know what's going on with their contract. So if you're a mail handler, this doesn't apply to you, although you should probably pay attention to it. So the APWU did put it out on the website. If you're underneath the APWU, people are like, oh, well, what about me? I'm a clerk. Well, you're underneath. You need to know what union you're under. You need to know what union you're under. Screen is over there. APWU put it out. The contract has been ratified. That means the members voted yes. And if you don't know, that means you didn't vote. Shame on you. I said it, shame on you. And it covers 2024 to 2027. The agreement is official, and that's great. You should celebrate if you choose to. But listen, the ratification is just paperwork. Nobody's paycheck is changing tomorrow. It's not happening like that. So after rereading it a couple times in a little article, I saw at the bottom that it said something about there are some pay adjustments that are going all the way up until the end of the year before it gets implemented. There's a key word, implemented. The effective day of the contract is September 21st, 2024. Write it down. That's the date the raises, the COLAs, the step increases, all that stuff officially started. So legally, you're owed back pay from that date. But here's the catch. The USPS payroll doesn't care about the legal dates until they implement it. Now, implementation is your magic word. That is when the USPS finally updates the system to actually pay you according to the new contract. And guess what? According to the APWU article, which you can just go check for yourself, the last group of employees do not get implemented until the first pay period of 2026. Is literally all the way down at the bottom. You can read the please just look it up. You heard me right, till 2026 before it's implemented. Now, I know some of y'all already looking at your pay stub like, where's my back pay, Jay? They ratified it, right? No, calm down. You're still on the old rates until the group gets flipped into the system. They ain't just cutting you a check because you voted yes. Here's how it really works. Every hour you worked since September 21st, 2024, that will be your back pay clock. That's when it starts. When your group finally gets implemented, maybe January 2026, from what I just read today, 8/17/2025. That's when I read it. They go back and recalculate every single one of those hours at the new pay rate. That's what your retroactive pay is. And here is the kicker. USPS has 180 days up to after the implementation to cut us a check. That's 6 months. And if y'all know what 6 months is, this ain't no normal 6 months when you work for the post office. That's like 2 fucking Christmases. Heat wave and probably your fucking scanners melt down before you even see a dime. It's just what it is. Now, let me talk to my carriers real quick, because y'all are the loudest ones. Keep saying this. Oh, the back pay hits in March, whatever it is. Listen, it's supposed to hit August 29th. And that's with the carriers. I don't know if it's 1 or 2 paychecks, but that's what they're saying. I haven't seen nothing written yet. The clerks, the motor vehicle services, maintenance, the customer care people, the ones that are covered underneath the APWU contract, everybody is waiting. So please stop acting like the world evolves around carriers, because they have a different union and they know who their damn union is. So it's us that screwed up. Like clerks, you'll get your step increases and night differentials backdated up until when it started. MVS drivers, you are in the mix as well. Every hour behind the wheel since September 24th gets recalculated. Maintenance, you are covered, and this contract even clarified protections and something about filling vacant positions. The people that are in customer care, the ones that do telework, there's people that are on the phone. I didn't even know that recently. They talk about no subcontracts, whatever it is, and that's in black and white. So everybody is gonna get something, just not today. So I need to repeat this so the rumors get shut down. The ratification date, August 7th, 2025, the contract got approved. The effective date, September 21st, 2024, the pay changes legally starts. The implementation date, and in that article, it doesn't give you no set one, but it says something about the beginning of 2026, the first pay period of 2026 for the last group. That's what it says. The payroll system actually flips that. So at that point, why do we gotta wait for them? You reading like, why the fuck we gotta wait for them? So I don't know. They got enough work to do. So 180 days after it's implemented, the USPS deadline to give you your back pay. It could be 3 months. It could be 6 months. It tells you in there like 284 days is their average or some stupid shit like that. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what it meant. Maybe I read it wrong, but you can't trust everybody else with their chatter. Just read. It's literally APWU website, apwu.org. And somebody always swears they got the inside information. The only inside information with the APWU is just reading the contract itself. It literally says the last group isn't implemented until 2026. So y'all need to stop planning your vacations with money you ain't got yet. Don't buy your rims. Don't go get your BBLs or BB. I don't know what the hell they call them. Don't put a down payment on your car, because our back pay is not going to be anywhere near what the carriers. We don't work as much as carriers. And don't tell your old lady that you finally catching up on that bills. No, wait until your check literally hits your light blue, and then you can celebrate. Until then, just keep working, keep stacking your hours, because when that back pay finally does drop, every overtime, every Sunday premium, every holiday since September 2024, that's all owed to you. That's the end of the story. You zim. Hopefully, there's always going to be one that's going to ask a silly question. That clarified everything. I even got a little thing that I print. Well, I got a little thing, a graph. I don't know where I put it in the video, but it's there. And I tried to simplify it. I tried to. But if you can't figure out what I just said, go on apwu.org. Can you leave the link to it, Jay? God damn it, man. No. You know how to get on your tactics and your face chats, right? apwu.org. Look for it. Can you tell us where it's at? Look for it. but can you just leave a link? Look for it. You grown ass man, grown ass people. I'm telling you, I'm over here mumbling like I'm an old man. But y'all better start doing what you need to do. All right? Do what you need to do. Now, let's move the camera. Ooh. I like my camera. Ooh. Jay, would you grow up? No, I don't want to grow up. I'm a Toys R Us kid. Yep. If you don't like that, all I hear is talking. I don't sweat that. Y'all ain't gotta like me either. I respect that, but these are the facts. This is JH, and I'm out.
All I hear is talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she be down the ride, oh, I'll bet that.